I need to get rid of this. There we go. Not anymore.
So I'm in a fight right now. I'm not going down that easy. Ow! Why did my punches hit? Oh, why does his punches hit so hard?
Why do I still have it on?
Okay, this was too much. Ow. Sight. Ah! Yeah, I'm actually done this time. Sight. Ah! Oh, wait. That hurt. What's deleted? I forgot. And here. Oh, you can't. I did it. Alright, wait. We can't hear you. Just heads up. We can't hear you. Don't know why. Oh, but we can't hear you, bro. Mother trucker. That hurt like a mother. Why am I punching? Why? Every time I punch this guy, it hurts so bad.
You ready? You know, we can't hear you.
Yeah, he's
getting rid of that wall right there.
I
mean that little thing. Alright, ready?
Right.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was too easy. I'm going back to my shelf. Thank you.
Touch. Touch. Alright, what are you getting rid of next?
That wall.
That wall?
You can see that.
Alright.
Ah, shoot.
Alright.
Never mind. Easy peasy.
Me out.
Easy peasy. That looks like I was flipping you off, was it? Trying to do the
Touch.
okay thing.
I didn't touch. I did not touch. Look, I was right here. I was like, ooh. And I went up and I touched it. I swear.
Saw it.
Yeet. 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 Alright, I'm gonna go back now. Why'd you tag me?
You did not make it, Green.
I did it.
Green, just don't
Aye.
grieve. Just don't grieve.
Alright, so, I'll get rid of this wall.
No, you can only get rid of one wall.
Yeah, that wall's back.
You can't take.
I switch it.
Alright, he decides because he's original. Alright. Okay, he took out that thing, dude. There's sauce.
Back to the end.
There's wait. I landed on the couch.
Oh.
I didn't touch.
Oh, Yoda. Almost
Come.
Okay, just gotta. Nice.
Oh, you can touch this. This part is safe. It's like this. So. Is it the entire thing or just this top part? The whole thing? Alright, so stand on the top if it's the whole, or no, stand on the top if it's just the top, stand on the bottom if it's the whole thing. Just the top? Okay. We shall commence.
I'm looking.
Can I touch the
stuff.
Can I touch the cash register? Can I touch this? You didn't see that? My hand glitched. No.
I'm parkouring on heads right now.
I already did. Did touch? I did. My hand glitched. My hand glitched, bro. Okay.
Oh, well. Guess we need to go get another person now. Sad.
I think he's gonna join back. Probably just okay for the moment. You going to get more people? Yeah, he's getting more people. So, oh, who do you think it's gonna be?
No, I said that you could push this shit, not the. But you don't know what the ATM code is.
Yeah. Yes.
Guys, you wanna play
Yeah.
mini games?
Me.
Yeah.
Mom, it failed.
Guys, you wanna play mini
It
games?
Oh
failed.
my god. You guys know what evictions? It failed.
You wanna play mini games?
We put a monkey on the shelf.
What's the code?
Okay.
E A E
Wait.
Wait. What was it again? What was it? What was it?
Jagger.
Here,
Jagger.
wait. Wait, no. Reset. I can't. Dang. Yo, I cannot see. Yay!
Goodbye,
Wait,
guys.
what was
Bye-bye,
it?
baby.
What was it?
T-A-G-E-R.
What was it?
Hey, guys.
Dang, we got 6 people now. Heck yeah.
Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, what? Stop.
You guys gonna play eviction after this?
Oh, I got you.
I'm not here.
We start. That's how we start.
I'm not here. Nope. Nope. Shit.
You got tagged.
Yes,
Now
we can
we
hear you now.
Blue.
Ah! Ooh. Blue.
What happened to my Oculus?
Baby. Blue, come here. Come here, Jay. Blue, get your face back.
Where is baby girl? Why am I so slow?
Where's your
me?
Where's
Where's
that?
Look. Hey, lava monkey.
Y'all is slow. You're retarded.
Look, I'm swinging my arms super hard.
Slow.
Blue, I'm gonna spread them. I'm gonna spread them cheeks. Guys, just report Blue if he doesn't get
There's
tagged.
no
He has
way I'm
tag
the
lag.
last.
He has tag
Oh,
lag.
I am the last one.
You have tag lag.
Yes.
I am a god.
No. Blue. Blue, you're
Wow.
tagged. You're tagged.
What do we do about that?
Everybody, stop trying to tag him. It's gonna make it longer. When you keep tagging someone, it's gonna make the tag lag longer. So just having fun.
Wait, sit here.
Yeah, there's still tag.
Leave White alone. I already touched him.
Funny monkey.
You should turn lava soon.
We should get a new code. I don't want
again. You try
Guys,
it.
I got long arms. Everybody, tag them.
I'm back. I'm
I
back.
knew it would end soon.
Okay. I won't.
It's the free round.
My hand. I don't. My
Don't tag me. Hey, don't tag me.
Who's gonna show?
Wait, no, I dropped
Think
my
if you
controller.
tag me without consent, you're racist.
Get on the shelf.
It's free round.
No, get on the shelf. Everybody on the shelf first.
I have a question.
Free round.
I have a question.
What?
Does this count as sport? Does this count as
No.
sport?
No.
You can get on that. You can tag that. You can tag that.
Okay,
All right,
free
on the
round.
shelf. On the shelf,
Coming,
free round.
baby. I'm coming, baby. Easy, touch the mirror.
On the shelf, or you're going to get tagged?
I already said free round.
You're gonna get tagged.
Me and Black already
Already-
did that I know of.
I already said that you could go.
We could go.
Go. What's deleted?
Let me go. We could go.
Where the heck are y'all going?
Yeah, I didn't see.
Where did he
I
leave?
I thought he said we could go.
did it. Yeah, go, as in for the free round, go.
I husband did it.
Because I didn't see yellow or dark blue do it until now. All right, everybody on the shelf. Shelf.
Wait.
Or if you're not on the shelf, in the next 10 seconds, I'm tagging you. One.
Get on the shelf.
Okay.
Can I be up
Take
here?
out the obvious.
That.
Okay.
So close. Oh, I touched it. I touched the mirror.
Yellow touched.
Ah, what's your problem, man?
Yellow's wrong. Dude, yellow.
I did it.
Yeah, yellow's cheating. Yellow ran.
I touched the mirror. I touched the mirror.
Don't
He touched
yellow
the mirror.
No, yellow left. I'm looking for fucking
Will
yellow.
you guys take the floor?
I'm
Dude, I touched
Wait, hey,
the
we already made it.
mirror.
Jeez. Hey. Oh, arms.
I touched the mirror and they were chasing me. Long arms be like.
What are you deleting now? What are you deleting now?
Wait, I'm coming. Cause y'all wanna. I was on mirror.
Oh, he touched it.
I already
Don't
touched
break.
it here. Okay,
Right here, though, right here.
Okay,
You
I
have to
just made
leave
it
it
back too. You also have to make it back.
Mom.
Brian, I saw that. I'm gonna let you slide. I'll let you slide. I saw you.
No, somebody's griefing.
Oh.
Guys, he's griefing.
No, somebody else is griefing. It's the sun hat.
No, it's not me.
God damn it, Black. He's fucking.
Not sun hat.
Fuck you, Black. Seriously, bro. Fucking quit.
What am I doing?
Dude. You're not in the city, dumbass.
Made him.
Because he was chasing me.
Nobody
No,
was
it's because that guy was griefing. The sun hat was griefing. The sun hat was griefing.
Sorry, I just wanted to tag someone.
Yes, I
I'm
know.
sorry. That's why I left. Because he was chasing me. I'm sorry. I wanted to tag with him. I was trying to grief them.
fucking oldest. Hey, bro, don't say that.
Booty. Booty. Come
don't like this
Panda. The sipping notes of Fanta. Touch mirror. I'm coming right now.
Hate it. It's sun hat. It's sun hat. It's sun hat.
I touched the mirror.
Me and Blackheart touched it.
Me too. Bruh.
Yeah.
You fucking griefer.
How
You're
am
gay.
I He was still on the ground. Because I touched the mirror, you idiot. God. How annoying could you be? Bro.
This kid's annoying.
We have to restart because this kid tagged me for no. It doesn't mean have to jump off a
These
bridge.
kids keep complaining about everything. Oh, I got tagged, guys. We have to restart.
Dude,
Like,
and
get over it.
other people wanted me to tag them, idiot. Idiot. Idiot.
Oh, hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess
Block
what?
the broken window. Someone
Guess what?
blocked the
Guess what?
broken window. Blue's
Guess
in
what?
the broken window.
I didn't want
He's
to
on
be tagged.
third
Guess
floor.
what? Like, did you imagine that, bro? I didn't want to be tagged. Like, could you imagine? What?
Where the heck did Blue go?
I'm doing this shit.
Well, I'm sorry. I don't really know how to play this game.
Bruh, no, you're good. It's Blue that we're, it's that guy that we're talking about that you tagged, bro. Get over with already.
I can hear everyone trying to kill me.
Other people and go tag.
I mean, I don't know how to play Monkey on the Show. That's why I'm
I know.
telling everybody, because I think that's how
Okay.
to play. And he's telling me,
Am I doing
no.
Well, then just copy other people.
what?
Dude,
I mean,
this is not floor. This is not floor. I'm just telling you that. This is not floor. So I could touch this all I want. This is floor. This is not. So if I go like that, you tag me.
by the way,
Okay, so you guys can play and I'm gonna stay in this corner, so.
I'm in the obstacle
Because
course.
I don't know how to play this game. So whoever's
So that is floor.
He's in the obstacle course.
Oh.
nothing you need to know.
Can we? Come here.
Where'd me boot? Okay.
Dude, when I'm not in, I'm just gonna be vibing.
Come here. I'm blue.
I'm in the obstacle course.
I'm
That's a heads up.
I'm a vibe.
The textures in mine look better.
Surprised no one's found me yet.
Bro, I'm in the obstacle course.
He's on third floor.
I'm in the obstacle course. Everybody go up onto the third floor. I'll go onto the
Dude, I
obstacle
know
course
where
because
he
I
is.
can do it really well.
That's why I think I know where he is. No.
I can everything.
I'm gonna check the second floor. Blue, just hurry up and get tagged.
Oh, that's easy to get to.
No,
why is
never mind. I think he's in parkour area.
No, I'm not having yellow tag me. Someone please help. I just need my controller. Yeah, kid, that's why you're testing. Fuck you, bitch. Fucking little kid. You're a fucking little kid.
Kid, just get.
This kid
Yo,
this little kid just
Bro,
found
where
out.
is
I'm
Blue
not a little
already?
kid. I'm 14, dumbass.
no, you are not 14. You are not 14. You're like,
no.
found him. I found Blue.
You're like
I found
Blue
Blue.
maximum.
Where was he?
Being
He was
blue,
in
I like
second
your name.
floor. Dude,
No,
he
you
did
guys
first floor.
claiming he's
Shut up.
14.
14. You are not 14. You're like 8 years old.
Yeah.
You
Fucking
too,
8 years old, boy. That's why you're 8 years old. Yeah, I'm 14, you dumbass.
No, you're not. 14.
Put it on God.
You're 14 in dog years.
I'm 14. I'm not a boy.
I'm 14 in dog years.
Just stop calling me a fucking guy, dumbass.
Kid, bro. Kid. Shut up. Shut up. You're not. Can we start?
Why did you
We're
have to
gonna
get more
start.
people? It's better without more people.
Oh my God. No.
He's like, I'm 14.
I touched the mirror. I touched the mirror.
Yes, sir.
I touched the mirror. I touched the
Yeah, where's
mirror.
that headband? Headband.
Oh my God, that's why you're gay.
Touch
Touch
the
the mirror.
What time is it for you?
Touch the mirror.
What time is it for you?
Russian Eye is starting to grief. He's trying to grief.
Oh, it's 6:48 for me.
Yes.
So I'm an hour ahead. of you. So
What do you mean, kid?
I'm gonna be on probably around 8 maybe for me. So that'll be 7 for you.
Collabed into each other.
I'll come on to this. What's the what's the code name? What's the Zag? Yeah, Zagger. Okay. My headset's low.
Okay.
Mine's
Dude, this parkour looks so sick.
mine's at 14 too.
We're not.
Alright, I touched the mirror.
Yeah.
And-
I'll be on later. I'll be on later, okay? Later.
Can we play crates?
I need to talk to someone. I need to tell someone something. Where's the Russian hat? Before I go, I need to talk to. I need to talk to the Russian hat.
You choose.
Where's the Russian hat?
When you choose.
Let's play crate. Where's the Russian? Yeah, where's the Russian
I
hat?
want to play crazy.
Yeah, Russian hat.
Bro, I
Russian
honestly
hat.
think it's funny the fact that this kid's claiming that he's 14.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You're a
You
nigger.
wanna play crates now?
Oh, and you're racist. You're a lying racist child.
Yes, we
You should be ashamed of yourself. Hey guys, report White for hate speech. He keeps saying the N-word.
Brown, guys. Report Brown.
Dude, what the hell did I do, kid?
Yeah.
I'm against you.
Yeah, it's I think
reported for toxicity. And if you
yeah,
she's
Paulo,
scared.
I didn't